Good morning, my little kittens. Today it's makeup craft day because we made some templates to make your makeup much more faster. So let's jump in. So the first thing that you will need to do is this draft, which has all the templates that I'm gonna use today. I made some for lips, I made one for cat crease, one for smoky eye, and one for eyebrows. So you will just need to cut these, but I will show you step by step how to measure them, how to cut them, and how to use them. So we have this one for eyebrows. Obviously we have the right side and the left side. If you just turn it logically, you will have both sides of this. And let me show you how to create this very easily. First, to measure the eyebrows, you will take a picture of your face, and after that you will put a piece of paper on your phone, and then you will need to copy the shape of your eyebrow, and after that you will need to transfer the eyebrow model from that piece of paper to a hard paper. You will need to cut the shape that you draw with a cutter, and you will do the same thing even for the smoky eyes. For the cat crease, you will use the templates from the smoky eye to make the template based on that shape. If you are not happy with the shape, you can adjust them with an electric nail file, as I did, and you will smooth the corners. For the lips, it's much simple. You will only need to put some lipstick on your lips and you will kiss a paper and then you will cut them. So now we're gonna try this one, and I will use this thing because I just love when I see people painting with these things, and just it makes me so happy. So this will be 10 times easier, but you can use whatever you want with this. So let's try it. I'm so excited for this, because I don't know if you saw, but I don't really like to do my eyebrows very bold or something, so I always do only soap brows, so this will save me so much time. Reveal time! Look at that! Look how cute that looks! Honestly, and looks so natural. I mean, I don't go never for those bold looks. I mean, for those bold eyebrows, so this is perfect for me. Now let's do the other part. Bam, 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 bam. Painting my eyebrows. My god, this is so nice, honestly. Reveal time. Look at this. This looks perfect. This looks so natural, and I just love this, honestly. Look at that, and it took me like 30 seconds to do this. I mean, this is a masterpiece, honestly. So because I don't want to do like 10 makeups, like 10 different makeups, this eye will get the smoky eye and this one will get the cat crease. So let's do this. So we fix this onto our eyes, and now keep it there. Now I will put the color. Oh my god! This is so nice. And if this turns out like really good, I will be so proud. This was my mistake here because I wasn't too careful with this. Look at that! In like 30 seconds or less? I'm mind blown right now. So now we will make the eyeliner. We will use this part for this, and I'm so excited. Now let's make sure that we put it in the right place here. And now all that we need to do is cover everything. And you will pat the color very nicely. We have the eyeliner now in like 20 seconds or less. And now I will clean this area a bit, and let me show you how good this will look. And for persons that are struggling with doing their eyeliner, this is perfect. Just look at this. This is a perfect eyeliner. And you can also keep it like it was, but I like to make it a little bit skinnier, if I can say. This is perfect, and it took me less than 1 minute to do everything. Less than 1 minute. This is too good to be true, honestly. Let's try the cut crease. The nicest part of this is because it's homemade, you can make like 100,000 of this. Okay, now we're going to do the cut crease, which I'm super curious about. I said this, and now let's put the color. Very gently, don't press too much. I'm using a blending brush for this. Very, very gently. This is like a massage for my face right now. We almost have the cut crease here. Reveal time. Guys, we have the perfect cut crease here in less than 30 seconds. Look at this. You don't even need to clean anything here. I can't believe that this works so well. Look at this. Oh my god, I'm shocked right now. And we also can do the eyeliner with this part. So on this eye we will make that. Brush it to the skin. Reveal time. Look at that, we did a cut crease in like less than 1 minute. I'm shocked right now. I'm shocked. I can't believe this worked so well. I can't even say which one I like more. I can't even say. So now it's lips time. We made one even for the lips because I know some people are struggling with the shape, so this is perfect for you. Let's try this one now. This looks so strange. I might prepare right now. Reveal time. Oh my god. I actually love this, like it was so simple. So I will show you my draft again with all my templates. I hope that you understood how I made them, how to measure your proportions, and how to just use them basically, because it's so easy. It's so easy that I can't even complain that it took me time to do it, like to do this, to cut them. I can't complain. It saved me so much time. Make sure to leave me a comment down below if you want to try this, or if you try this, because I'm super curious if this will work for you. So your girl Glammedblondie finished her job and now we are looking fabulous. If you like this video, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button, because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going to find my cat.